you want the windows up or down, Alfie?
When we start, we'll put them down.
Okay, okay. You let me know if you get too warm or anything.
Yeah.
Let's join the back of the line.
So we let them have a little gap so we can...
Exactly. We want our own little playing space.
Yeah. Like at school.
Yeah. We'll let him have a bit of a gap. That's our turn. Are you holding on tight?
No. I've done the course before. So.
You've probably done the course more times than I have.
I probably have actually. Have you done the water crossing?
Yep.
The long one?
Yeah. Can't avoid them bits. They're the best bits.
Yeah. Unless you break the car like my mum did.
Oh, we don't want to be doing that today, do we?
Nah.
She's doing well so far.
Yeah, because we got the different one.
Yeah.
If we had the other one, it was still broken down. Hopefully they'll go back to the campsite.
Hopefully. Well, that gives us our own free space.
Yeah.
Down we go. Gotta be gentle, otherwise Alana will tell us off. She'll tell you off more. Yeah. Oh, we're stopping.
Because she wants to chat because it will lean over.
Yeah, and maybe she wants to get some pictures.
Maybe.
We should go over there and photobomb it.
Get on camera.
Jump in front and go, yeah!
Keep forgetting this is not mine.
It's alright, we can swap positions if you want. You can drive.
Imagine actually.
Won't be long.
Yeah, only about 7-6 years.
I'd say a few more inches. Once your legs can touch the pedals, it'll be fine. Oh, are they pulled over or? I'm hoping they're pulled over because they're taking a rest and they ain't broke.
I let him drive it once.
Are you okay?
Bump is broke.
Oh no.
The one time he drives it, he's broken it.
Oh no, you're in the doghouse now.
Can't believe it.
Oh look, you're taller than me now. That's not fair. That's not fair. How have you grown all of a sudden?
Let's say I've eaten my vegetables.
Yeah. By the way, I'm not as exciting as Alana. I'm very slow.
I don't know. I remember going around here when it was Ben's first time.
Even though this is my car,
Yeah.
I'm afraid of Alana. She'll beat me up if I break it. They're over there. I see them.
Should we do all the hard bits?
We'll
Except for some.
yeah, there's a couple.
The brick one.
There's a couple of bits, like one of the what I call in and outs I'm avoiding.
Yeah, the one where you go down and then turn right and then up.
Yeah, there's one that's really rough.
Yeah, the bricky one.
Yeah, that I'm avoiding that. The logs, I don't do that.
Yeah.
Because that's a lot of effort for me for not much. By the way, I feel the pressure. I've got the boss of muddymods sitting in the passenger seat.
I mean, I don't have my high vis.
Oh no.
I want to buy this one, because the green one,
Yeah.
it's like here. It's how small it is. And my mum says, yeah, it still fits. I'm like, no, it does not. We'll wait for these cars today.
Yeah. It's okay. He's not a slow driver. He's pretty good. So it's like I know I can give a good gap. Oh, we'll let him go. After you, sir. You're welcome. Steve putting his laps in. I do love Steve.
That's not even Steve.
I think that's a different Steve. There's lots of Steves.
No, that's not even Steve. What do you mean?
What should we call him? Bob?
A person that I do not know.
Are you ready?
I like this bit.
So do I.
It's a bit calm.
Yeah.
Until you get to the top.
Whee.
Yeah, he's only far ahead.
Yeah.
Because we let the person past. Because we're gentlemen.
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a bit of a bump there. Make sure no one's coming that way.
Bit of a swamp there. Oh, the swamp's dried out. Hello.
I'm going to put my window up in case any twigs fly in.
Not good. It happened.
You can karate chop them out the way though.
Hell, 1 inch punch.
Yeah.
I can't actually do it. I'm guessing you're
Doing the hard. We'll do the hard on the first, I think it's 3. And then the last one we'll skip.
Yeah, this one tip. None of them got me, so we're good.
Hey.
Hard.
Hard again.
So these two are doing hard.
Yeah. I think it's the next one we can do hard as well.
Did you do this one in the Skoda?
Yeah, no, I think it was the next one we did in the Skoda.
This one you can take risks.
Yeah.
Not that much risks. We'll do.
Down.
Your first go, did you steal it?
No.
Surprising. Because you haven't done it for a long while.
Exactly.
Well, you've probably actually never done it before.
And then this one we'll skip. Just because it's really rough there when I was filming.
Yeah, when you watched my mum.
Yeah, and I don't want to break a drive shaft if I can help it.
I know that feeling.
Exactly.
Even though I don't drive. I do it many times, so.
But yeah, I was watching a few people and seeing people dangle wheels and stuff like that. I was like, nah. It's good fun, but it's not fun if you're then having to call Warren and go, Warren,
I tipped over.
can you pull me out, please?
That's meant to be standing up.
Nah, it's having a sleep.
Alana said that. It's meant to be standing there.
I'm always fearful of these trees. I'd hate to put a bit of glass out.
In Riverside, there's one bit where the trees are really narrow.
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, I don't like this bit because it's a bit too narrow. This bit I nearly fell off. Bye-bye. It was here I nearly fell off because there's little bricks.
Nice and slowly down.
Could I let go of the brake there a little bit?
The car's doing most of it for me, thankfully.
Also tied up.
Yeah, exactly. Don't really need to do much, just turn this in various different directions and have a nap.
Yeah, have a nap. Where am I?
Exactly.
Oh, I'm in the ocean.
I'm sure if
Or in a swamp.
I'm sure if I'm about to crash, you'll grab the steering wheel, won't you, Alfie?
Maybe. I might have fell asleep.
Exactly.
What a balloon there. Was that a balloon?
There was.
Odd. Very odd.
Very, very odd. See, we're both going at exactly the same pace.
Why is they put what there?
Yeah, that was Steve. He done it to be funny and people got confused by it. I said to him...
Oh yeah, this is where we fell over.
Exactly. I said to him, wouldn't it be funny if you put the signs the wrong way round? And he did, and no one noticed yesterday. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Yeah, when you do peekaboo with Lily, she loves it. Yeah. This bit you'll know, boys.
Yeah.
The logs.
I'm sure it's fun. We've never actually done the logs in this car just because it's so vicious.
Is this one lifted?
Yeah.
I think because it's lifted, you can do it.
Yeah, we can do it, but if you've got a manual, it's very hard on the clutch to go over it slowly enough. And I don't want us to be saying to Alana that I burnt the clutch out. And also...
All you can smell is the clutch.
Yeah. Louis' car. Louis wasn't driving at the time, but Louis' car I think got a bit stuck there.
Yeah.
So, and he's got a really lifted car.
Yeah.
Tucka tucka tucka.
So Lou would have only made it through the left
Yeah.
if the muds wasn't that high,
Yeah.
apparently. Died up trees. Or grass as well.
I like this bit because I can take my feet off all the pedals, let the car do the work.
Except the hands.
Yeah, I might want to hold on to this.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Have a nap.
I surrender. That bit nearly got me.
Don't want anything to get you, I'll get in trouble.
Yeah. There's a sticker there.
Oh yeah.
Anyone want some tyres in the forest?
We'll come and fit them for you in the forest.
Pit stop
Yeah.
at F1. Wonder how fast we'll be.
Get round here, and then I'll flick that into sand mode.
Sand.
So we've got more drive at the back wheels. It locks it into a 50-50 split. So we've got 50% going to the front wheels and 50% going to the back wheels. And then wait for the graunch. Oh, not that time. Nice and slowly down.
It just pulls you down.
Yeah. And then up we go.
Nice.
There you go.
I'm like a learner driving for off-road. Because I did that with Ben last year.
With the
I came in his car and I helped him.
with the amount of laps you've done, when you get to drive this, you'll be a pro.
I just did my eyes closed.
Exactly.
Can't park there, mate.
Oh look, we've overtaken him.
Is this got a snorkel?
No, no snorkel. We just got to make sure we don't do too big of splashes. And then wait for it. There's a bit of a sharp drop somewhere. There.
Looks to your left.
Oh wow.
Hello, ducky.
It's like a flamingo. It's a heron, I think, actually. I don't know if we get flamingos in this country.
Yeah. I think it's right around Mexico and stuff.
Yeah.
Like South America.
Up we come. Put it into mud ruts.
Have you ever thought trying to do the easy side of the mud run?
Hello! It's always tempting, but it just makes a massive messy car and it potentially could cause a lot of damage, and at the moment we can't really afford the repair bill if we damage it, so we're trying to be nice and easy on the car.
Fair enough.
And because I saw Shell do this yesterday, I know that we'll be fine. This was really rough at one point,
I don't think it's
but it's not too bad now.
I'll probably like him down. Still got a Land Rover monthly up.
Yeah.
Like up Riverside, there's two.
Yes.
You need to go round Riverside tomorrow.
Yeah, I was going to say I was going to go round today, but obviously run out of time, and
There's a hole here.
there is. Always got to make sure I get this right.
Okay, don't want to split the mirrors.
No, I'll be in big trouble.
I'll just get a blue paint and go.
Yeah, I'll be like Alfie did it. Alfie was driving, not me.
Yeah, I'll take the blame.
Oh, you're so cool, Alfie. Oh, look, we're going to beat him. He's not on the course. We are. Put it back into sand mode. Oh yeah, this has got the nasty drop to it.
Yeah, it's been filled up though.
Yeah, but just there. I dropped into it a bit quick on my first lap.
What was that big bang?
Yeah, it was quite a big bang.
You don't know where it is.
No. We're floating. We're a boat.
When you get to the end, you'll see water all over.
We're boating.
If you want, you can put the foot all the way down.
Yeah, but then it'll go in our air intake because we don't have a snorkel.
Oh yeah. At the end,
Yeah.
Hello, bushes. Oh, one's fine.
He is.
Goodbye, Warren.
He's tailgating.
Naughty Warren.
Naughty Warren, tailgating us. How dare he?
Oh no, he's doing it.
Oh, he's doing the trees, I think. Unless he's just cutting. Oh, he might be washing his car.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's done the mud run.
I mean, he's done it a couple of times.
And then he's doing loops to clean out his car in the water.
Yeah, he did that yesterday.
Yeah.
The water everywhere. Because I've been around so many times with cars with snorkels.
Yes.
I get used to them just putting their foot down. Beep, beep.
Beep beep, coming through. VIP on board. VIP Alfie on board.
I was like, why is hard that way?
Because that's the mud run. It looks like they're having fun in it.
Hello. Hello. I was about to say, that's the course done. No, it's not.
Or not quite, we're almost done.
Yeah.
Whee!
Yippee!
Make sure no one's coming out the mud run.
Mario! Yeah, no one was in it because it's back in Steve. I don't know.
You never know, they might be recovering.
True.
Recovering a remote control car.
And they said no remote controls, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. Whee!
I just already stumped.
Yeah.
I have to live on the island. There's cars coming around.
Disturbing my peace.
Yeah. I need a world of peace. I'll be gone by Monday.
Yeah.
Oh no, the end of Sunday. What day are you leaving?
Not sure yet, I'm waiting for Alana to tell us.
Oh yeah, because I asked you and you said you decide on Sunday.
Yeah, we'll decide tomorrow how we feel.
Milestone.
Yep. Don't like that bit.
Yeah.
It's mean to the car.
I've done this many times. I actually never ran around the courses last year.
Oh.
I might have done once.
Uh-oh. Everybody wave.
Well, hello there.
And we go off course.
Yippee.
What I'll do is I'll park next to that other one, hopefully. Somewhere around.
Tree.
Yeah.
On a branch.
Try and duck underneath the tree.
Hello.
Oh.
Yeah, I do not want to get. Otherwise, I can't ride my bike back.
Put up there.
Thank you for that.
No worries at all, Alfie. Thank you for being a fantastic passenger.
Passenger princess.
Exactly. Alana's going to come over and say something. Or
Hello?
not. I didn't know if he was going to say something.
No.
I'm
Cool.
guessing you got tortured.
Huh?
I guess you got tortured.
You look really cool.
Say hello, Alana.
I'm going to take a photo. I feel like it... Oh. Behind the scenes.
Exactly.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Don't break the car.
Try not.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Yay!